the most innovative phone in Samsung's history could be launched soon, after a couple of years of delay. Known as the Galaxy X, Samsung's first folding handset has appeared in tons of leaks and rumors. But whenever asked about it, Samsung executives prefer not to disclose the actual release dates. A new report from Korea now suggests that the launch will take place next year, as we expected. The Galaxy S9 is not the hot seller that Samsung thought it would be, and Samsung's final result for the second quarter of the year will reflect that. Per the Bell, Lee has been involved more closely than usual in the daily operations related to the mobile division. The executive visited China, met with several Samsung competitors and even provided comments on the design of the Galaxy Note 9. Supposedly, it is due to Lee that Samsung reduced 0.5 mm of the thickness of the phone, and everything happened recently. How is this relevant to the Galaxy X? Well, it seems that the first Samsung folding phone is a priority for Lee, since the device could help to relocate Samsung as a leader in the mobile business. The report says that the Galaxy X will be released in limited production next year,